Get off my snake like that, motherfucker. Yo, you scratching him. Fucking die already. Yo, Hawk, squeeze that motherfucker. Squeeze him. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so you try to scratch my nigga now, bitch. Ew, you pissed on yourself. Ew, he squeezed the piss out of you. You nasty fucking white rat. Yo, he's still... I don't think he can choke him. He's still alive. No, nah, he's dying. He's dead. He's dead. He pissed on himself. Bitch. Bitch. That's good shit. Bye bye.